Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, and this is the 3 add-on kits that coordinate with your flavors of the month. We have a cardstock add-on, patterned paper, and embellishments. And as you can tell, the cardstock match perfectly with the 4 collections and your flavors of the month. Let's take a closer look at all 3 of these add-on kits to see what you'll receive to make your kits go even further. First, let's look at the cardstock. You'll receive 3 cardstock sheets to go with each one of the 4 collections. So you'll have more options to do backgrounds or matting of photos, or if you want to do some digital die cutting, all kinds of options with your cardstock. So for the Illustrated Faith All People, All Nation collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Robin's Egg Blue and 2 sheets of Berrylicious. To go with the Cardabella collection, you're going to receive 1 Tropical Breeze and 2 sheets of Berry Blush. For the Photo Play Paper Red, White, and Blue collection, you're going to get 2 sheets of Maraschino and 1 sheet of Storm. For the Simple Stories collection, you're going to receive 1 sheet of Ario, which I'm sure I butchered that name, and 2 sheets of Granny Smith. So that's a look at the cardstock add-on. Next we have the patterned paper add-on. This is one of my favorites and one that I think everyone should be adding on to their flavors of the month. You'll get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these repeat from what's in the flavors of the month, but 2 additional patterned papers. So Illustrated Faith, All People, All Nations, we have this one called Hand in Hand, which is a painted background. So if you're like me and you love mixed media, but maybe you don't do it because it's too messy or you just don't have the products, then this is a great sheet to kind of play with that. The back side is a yellow triangle design. The second paper is this one called United, and it has a floral navy print of the map on top of a blue with a little water design. And the back side is this chevron with the stripes, so this great geometric. For the Cardabella collection, Summer Splash, we have this one that has the clothesline with all the bathing suits and towels. The back side are the starfish, and this one is called Beach Day. This one has a wood grain on the back and then all of the summer words along with some icons mixed in. And the back is a water wave print. This one is called Splash Words. And then Photo Play Paper Red, White, and Blue has this gorgeous flag banner design. And the back is the Constitution written out in a script. This one called Independence Day is a cut apart with 3x4 and 4x6. And the back is this awesome diagonal red stripe in the different prints, and it has that text on the background as well. For Simple Stories, Hello Summer, we have this one called Paradise Found with all of these florals that could be easily fussy cut. So this looks exactly like the die cuts from the ephemera pack. So one more way to get some great embellishments, but it's also gorgeous on this wood grain background. So good luck deciding how you want to use that one. The back side is this coral with the white hash marks. This one called Peace, Love, and Pineapples has pineapples on the blue background. And the back side is this awesome white with black polka dots. So one more look at the patterned papers. B-sides and the front. So if you love patterned paper, be sure to get this added on to your flavors of the month. The final add-on is the embellishment add-on. This is another one that I love and I think everybody should seriously look at and get this added on to as well. So you're going to get more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. From Illustrated Faith, All People, All Nations, you're going to get the cardstock stickers. So there's a border, some labels, and then circles and hearts and hexagons, little banners, lots of fun images. For the Cartabella, you're going to get the chipboard accents. So I love kind of the retro feel of this collection. Lots of choices there. For the photo play paper, red, white, and blue, you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces, so these will vary among the kits, but you'll get half a pack, and mine has some small banners and circular pieces as well as some larger embellishing pieces. For the Simple Stories Hello Summer, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This is another one of my favorites for embellishments. You get a large banner piece, lots of word labels, and then little tabs, words to use for your titles and subtitles, large icons all the way down to small ones. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. Take one more look at all three of the add-ons available to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group to join in on the challenges and to see what your fellow subscribers and the design team has come up using their kits. If you're not already a subscriber of the YouTube channel, click that coffee cup. You'll be notified when new videos are released. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you